So these are going to be dips. So these can be used for chest day or tricep day or both. Essentially, it depends on how we position our arms, how we position our hands. So I'm going to do a chest focused dip here. So you're going a little bit wider. Jump yourself up here. Now, I like to cross my legs. You can also keep them straight. I'll keep them straight for this demonstration. Point is here, keep that chest high. Drive those elbows out. If you can't do body weight dips, you can do machine dips, or you can also do assisted dips as well. Those are dips, pretty self-explanatory. The idea here is we're going wide, coming up, scooping the chest, flexing the pecs. If you want to do more of a tricep focused dip, you go a little bit closer, a little bit more narrow. Keep those elbows tight to your sides. This way. Think tight elbows, triceps. And those are your body weight dips.